Hello, fellow origami enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a special project, crafting a one-of-a-kind money origami glass with a straw. Grab $2 bills, and let's embark on this creative journey together. To kick things off, let's fold the bill in half, vertically. Bravo! This initial fold will set the stage for the entire project. Take your time to ensure it's sharp and precise. Now, open it up. Excellent! Next, fold it in half, horizontally. This step will establish the center point and lay the foundation for the glass. Once again, open it up. Now, fold the corner to the center. This is where the magic starts to happen. Make sure the crease is sharp and accurate. Spread the bill and fold back the edge, following the existing crease. This step might seem a bit tricky, but it's crucial for forming the glass's base. Turn the bill over and fold the right edge to the center vertically. Splendid! Take your time and don't be afraid to adjust as needed. Create a cross fold from the tip of the corner up to the upper edge. This might be the trickiest step, so take it slow and steady. Use the center line as a reference and fold the tip down. Then gently make a crease. Well done! This will give your glass a clean, finished look. Repeat this mirror step with the upper part to ensure your model is perfectly symmetrical. This helps create symmetry in your design. Remember, symmetry is key to achieving a balanced and polished look. For the head part, fold the tip down. This step adds depth and dimension to your origami glass. Turn it over and you'll see you've created a glass. Voila! Now, let's make the straw. Take another bill and fold it in half, horizontally. Then unfold it. This will create a guideline for your folds. Fold the two edges into the center, using the crease as a reference. Make additional folds as shown. These folds are crucial for shaping the straw. Lastly, spread the bill and fold it one by one along the creases. These precise folds will give your straw the right structure. To insert the straw into the glass, open the base of the glass and carefully insert the straw to the end of the base. Be gentle but firm. Fold the base up to secure the straw in place. If needed, make a trim to perfect the shape of your glass. This step adds that final touch of finesse. You've finished your model. This makes for an amazing and unique gift for your friends. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative origami projects. Until next time, happy folding!